Hardcore Crypto here. This video we'll be taking a good look at XRP. Now, what is about to happen to XRP or on XRP is about to be crazy, guys. You could see in my previous video, I made it known to us that there is a high chance that XRP is most likely going to go up, no matter how low it's correct. But right now, we could see that XRP didn't even bother going to the 100 EMA of the 4 hours time frame before taking off. Rather, it was able to bounce above this resistance right here. You could see it. Let me make this obvious for us. We could see right here that it was able to break out of this resistance, and also this like trend line right here, this downtrend, it broke above it, came in contact with this resistance at $3. That was a huge sell-off there. It bounced all the way to the it used this resistance here, which was the former trend line, the former downtrend, as a support to take off, and we broke $3 yesterday. And as we broke the $3 yesterday, you could see us finding support right here. And if things should go in favor of XRP today, there is a high chance that XRP will definitely find support at $3. And if XRP finds support at $3 with enough volume today, we're definitely going to see XRP going really high, because its next resistance is definitely at $4.68. But I'm not sure if XRP will go that high today, because if we check the previous chart, if I should narrow down on the weekly, you could see that this was literally where we currently were before, although we had a very huge spike, and given the fact that this right here was actually the weekly time frame, and all these long weeks that we are seeing right here, there is a possibility that it could also happen. There's a possibility that it could also happen. So it is either we are getting some scenarios right here. So I don't know if, because looking at this right here, there's a high chance that okay, this isn't it. Yep. So looking at it right here, there is a high chance for us to say that there is kind of some form of resistance around this area right here, because this was its all-time high at $3.40. So if we move to the 4 hours time frame, the 4 hours time frame right here, I think I need to keep on scrolling way back. So sorry about that. I'm not on my laptop to like find this. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know what is going on right now, but if I should go to the daily, just don't know how to find this place right here. But if we go to the daily right here, we could see that there is kind of a resistance around this level right here. Yes, there is some form of resistance here and here. So if we can place this here, this resistance around this level, because this was where we got to before dumping, and we can also place another resistance around here, and we also place, okay, let's say we place this here. And if I can move to the 4 hours time frame, I don't know if I can find this. Okay, this was where I placed it. So you could see right here that there is some form of resistance playing around here. But the question is, where should we be placing supports? There is definitely a good support around this range. So hopefully I will have to change this to this particular level right here. Yes, so this is a very good support for us to hold on to, which is $3.56. So that is a very good support. Now for a very good resistance right here, I'm trying to figure out a good resistance. There is a resistance here, and I think there's also a resistance here too. So the resistance are kind of short here. Okay, I think this this should help, because if we should move to the 1 hour time frame, I don't know if this will definitely show. I don't know why it have to like go to the what is it called? Okay, so on the 4 hours, on the 1 hour time frame right here, we could see that there is some form of support around here, resistance around here. This is where we are kind of bouncing off from. You could see right here, this is literally where we are trying as much as we can to break above. You could see we'll be trying as much as we can to break above $3.28 before coming all the way down. So currently, if we should bring this all the way down to where we currently are right now, I would say that we have some very huge resistance to break above. So if we can't break above this resistance at $3.88, that I think that there is a high chance of us getting declined. We just have to fall back lower to the nearest support until we are able to break above this resistance right here. If we can break above this resistance, which is this level 3.088, there's a chance that we could find support here, then we could rally much higher. So this is actually the levels we should definitely be watching out for. But currently the market is kind of funny right now. The market is kind of funny right now. So yeah, that's just all I can say for XRP for now. We should definitely keep eyes on XRP, because it's either we get a breakout or a breakdown. Once we get this final breakdown right here, there is every chance that XRP could go as low as $2.58, because that is where the major support is currently at. So yeah, that's just all I can say, guys. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.